Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm gonna talk a little bit about this Booms fishing hook remover, which was specifically designed for the saltwater fishing. If you'll find the content useful, don't forget to like the video, and you can also subscribe to the channel if you'd like to support it and become a part of our community. Let's talk a little bit about this gadget. Well, the length of this gadget is approximately 10 inches or 25.4 centimeters. The length of the handle is approximately like 5 inches or 12.7 centimeters. This hook remover works great for large and medium-sized fishes, and the T-shaped handle, which is made from aluminium, was specifically designed for easy use and handy grip. This gadget works pretty well for sharks, for example, or salmon, or any other big fishes that you might actually catch. Well, what I will say about it? Well, when it actually came, I thought right away that it's too big for the fishes that I catch, because, well, obviously we don't have like sharks or like big salmon in where I live, and well, I will definitely not be using it myself, but I do know that many people prefer saltwater fishing, and they are actually catching big predators. So this gadget would actually do pretty well for those monster fishes that are being catched in the salt water. So how does it work? Well, it doesn't seem any similar to any of the hook removers that I've actually showed on my channel, and I was a bit confused in the first place how to use it. But, well, all is basically pretty simple, and I'll just demonstrate it to you. So I've actually prepared a hook for that. So let us imagine that you've caught a fish, and that is a fish's mouth. So the easiest way to remove the hook with this gadget is to just locate your line. Just gently it goes into the fish's mouth. You just locate the hook, push it a little bit, and it basically just, you just remove the hook from the fish's mouth. So pretty easy and, well, in my opinion, very comfortable and, well, quite fast. In general, I'd say that, well, it doesn't seem that this gadget would actually rust because, well, the handle is made from aluminium, and this part over here is made from stainless steel, and due to the reason that it is actually made for saltwater fishing, it actually has a cover on it which prevents it from rust. So in general, that is a pretty good gadget. If you'd like to check the price, I'll put the link in the description for you to have a look. If you found the content useful, don't forget to like the video, and you can also subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and become a part of our community. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.